So I saw your question on the discussion board about this step here. You specifically ask how does e to negative 2.4 power equal 0.090718. That's an approximation. What you'll want to do is use a scientific calculator on this problem. And on a scientific calculator, you'll probably find an e to the x button, and you'll want to use this key on your calculator. And then you would either type in negative 2.4 and then hit this button, or you would reverse that, hit this button and then negative 2.4. But you'll want to enter this using a calculator, e to negative 2.4 power, and it'll give you the answer. Now, e is a number in mathematics. It's roughly 2.718. So e to the negative 2.4 power is almost e to the negative. Excuse me. Let me erase it. E to the negative 2.4 power is about 2.718 to the negative 2.4 power. You can put this also, if you put this in a calculator, it will give you this value approximately. There is some rounding on this. The digits for e go on forever. It's an irrational number. Again, you need a scientific calculator to determine this answer. Hope that helps.